Hello, this is Loyal to the Republic. I sent a letter to Governor Nathan Deal of Georgia. Let me read part of the letter. As your constituent, I am writing this letter to urge you and your appropriate state agencies to intervene swiftly in the matter presented in this letter. I submit the Constitution of Georgia, Article 5, Section 2, Duties and Powers of the Governor, Paragraph 2, Law Enforcement. The Governor shall take care that the laws are faithfully executed and shall be the conservator of the peace throughout the state. As a born American, I have a constitutional right to travel. This right has been infringed upon by the municipality of Suwannee and the county of Gwinnett. I have been given citations and have had my car impounded. I consider the time that I will spend to defend myself a seizure of my time, and the second a theft of my property. I strongly urge you to act now in defending the Constitution, which you have sworn an oath to protect. I can cite 4 cases that show weight to my argument, and there are more. And I cite several cases here: Chicago Motor Coach versus Chicago, Thompson versus Smith, and the list goes on. I give the governor my citation numbers, and I say I urge you to have these citations dismissed and that these counties be reminded that we are to uphold the Constitution and not harass law-abiding Americans who are only trying to drop their kids off at school, collect groceries, and go about their own private business. Thank you for your attention to this urgent request. Sincerely. I did get a letter back from the governor. Not only did he ignore the Constitution of the United States, he also ignored the Constitution of Georgia. This is from Governor Nathan Deal. Thank you for writing to make me aware of your legal situation. I value input from Georgia citizens and appreciate your taking the time to share your concerns with me. While I respect your knowledge of statutory law, I do not have the authority to investigate or dismiss citations. As governor, I must maintain a strict separation between my administration and the judicial system. Furthermore, since this is a matter under local jurisdiction, I am unable to intervene. If you have not done so already, I would encourage you to contact your district attorney or judge of the Superior Court to request assistance with this problem. These 2 officials are the top constitutional officials within your jurisdiction and have the proper capacity to provide you with more accurate information. I regret that I cannot help you further. I hope you will be able to resolve this situation and that you understand the limitation of the authority in such matters. And he just simply chooses just not to do it. The governor pretty much considers himself an aristocrat. And this is my reply. Thank you for your reply. I know how busy you must be, and with all due respect granted to your office, I understand that you would like to keep your office separate and apart from the state judiciary, but separation is not required. In fact, according to the Constitution of the state of Georgia, the governor shall take care that the laws are faithfully executed and shall be the conservator of the peace throughout the state. It is your place and one of your duties of your office to intercede on behalf of your constituents to ensure that the law enforcement and judiciary bodies are faithfully executing the law. You may have complete confidence that the state judiciary and the law enforcement are faithfully executing the law and conserving the peace of the state, but ultimately that is a duty of your office. If you receive notification that the laws are not faithfully executed and the peace of the state, any part of the state, is in jeopardy, then no one other than you, as governor, is responsible. It is your duty to contact the district attorney or judge of the Superior Court. I also respectfully bring to your attention, again, paragraph 3, separation of legislative, judicial, and executive powers. The legislative, judicial, and executive powers shall forever remain separate and distinct, and no person discharging the duties of one shall at the same time exercise the functions of either of the others, except as herein provided. Paragraph 5. What acts void legislative acts in violation of this Constitution or the Constitution of the United States are void, and the judiciary shall so declare them. I must again respectfully and finally request your intervention in this matter, since it attacks our constitutional protected right to travel. Yours truly. So, let's see if there's any response. I don't really expect one. He's ignored the Constitution of the United States as well as the Georgia Constitution. And so my battle continues.